Welcome, in front of me is a Realme 8 Pro, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through settings. And to get started, let's go into these settings. From here you want to scroll all the way down to additional settings, choose backup and reset, and erase all data factory reset. And then select the erase all data. And once you tap on erase all data, it will give you a quick, really brief message right here that by doing this, you will basically lose everything. So if there is anything that you'd like to keep, maybe some photos, videos, music, stuff like that, then you might want to back it up beforehand. Otherwise, like I said, you will lose it permanently. But assuming you have already done it or you don't want to, tap on the erase data and let the process run through. Now this will take a couple minutes, so just be patient, and once it's finished we should be greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is actually visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished. You can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.